Hey there, fellow digital marketers and business owners. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest social media tips to help you grow your online presence. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to see a list of followers on your Facebook business page in 2025. With Facebook's constant updates, it's easy to get lost, but don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step in just a couple of minutes. This feature is great for understanding your audience, spotting trends, and even engaging with your most loyal fans. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. If you manage a business page, head straight to facebook.com and click on the menu in the top right corner. From there, select Pages and choose the specific business page you want to check. Once you're on your page's dashboard, look for the Community or Followers tab. Facebook might tweak the layout, but in 2025, it's usually right under the main cover photo or in the left-hand menu. Now, click on Followers to open the section. You'll see a list of people who follow your page, complete with their profile pictures, names, and sometimes additional info like when they followed you. If you have a lot of followers, use the search bar at the top to filter by name or location. It's a handy tool for targeted outreach. Pro tip: if you're not seeing the full list, double-check your page's privacy settings or ensure you're using a desktop browser, as mobile apps can sometimes limit visibility. One more thing. Keep in mind that Facebook's algorithms change, so if this doesn't work exactly as described, head to the Help Center for the latest updates. There you go, you've now mastered viewing your followers on your Facebook business page. This simple step can help you build stronger relationships and boost your engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 social media hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.